Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you this week with some more wonderful information. Today I'm going to show you how to change the magnetron in your microwave. Now, I've already done some of the pre-taken apart, which you'll be taken apart. Now, when you're dealing with the countertop microwaves, and some of your other microwaves, I don't know if you're going to see this, but this is a torque bit. And it has a security bit in it, okay? That little pin in there's a security bit. You're not going to be able to get a normal torque bit in it. And what I mean by that is, if you look at my set, see I've got torque bits there that have the hole in it, and I've got my torque bits there. This will not fit on here very well at all, okay? But it fits really nicely in there, and I can actually get a good thing. So, like I said, this is obviously a lot of set. You don't necessarily need all this, but you're going to want a set with security bits in it, okay? Now, once we get that, take some screws out, okay? And we're going to get these out of the way, okay? Now, this is our magnetron, okay? Before we do anything, now I know my capacitor has been discharged, but just to go over real quick, you're going to take your pliers, and you're going to stick them in there, and you're going to make sure you touch metal, and you're going to discharge your magnetron, or discharge your high voltage capacitor. Now that that's done, we want to disconnect wires. I'm a firm believer in that you always take all the wires off before you take anything apart. Just because if not, and this were to drop, you could possibly break a wire. But if everything's taken off, it comes off real easily, okay? This is actually a pretty simple one. Some are faced like this, some may be faced up, some may be faced down. It's all basically the same process. Get your screwdriver, okay? You want to unscrew it. Now it's going to semi-stay in place. Oh, see what happened there? I've got very strong magnets in here. So when I pull it out, that's something you want to be careful of, okay? Nice thing is, they don't fall down, they fall into the magnetron. So you kind of want to be careful of that, okay? And see, it's actually magnetized through there. So, and make sure you hold on, because these are semi-specialized screws. Not every screw is going to fit in there, and not every screw is going to work right. So I got my last one over here. Now I'm going to hold on to it. Okay. And come on, long-winded screws. Okay, there we go. Now what's out? Now, a little bit about the magnetron. See, there's my screw, nice and held. You've got 2 separate magnets here, okay? If either one of these 2 magnets cracks, this is no longer useful. It will not do its job, okay? So, you want to look at it, make sure you got your magnets are all whole and not cracked. If this is looking like it's been a spark plug, it's bad, okay? That means you've got issues somewhere inside your waveguide. If you've got issues in waveguide, your machine is not repairable. You can put a new one of these on there. It may last a day, it may last a week, but it's going to do the same thing. The way you can tell if you've got issues with this is you can see spark, and you can hear sparking and electrical smells, okay? But it's basically easy. To be honest with you, if you're not heating, 85% of the time, it's your magnetron that goes bad. 15% of the time, it's going to be your high voltage capacitor or diode, and then 5 to 6% of the time, it's going to be your high voltage transformer. These things very seldom go bad, but this is probably the one where your issue is. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this page, and you folks have a great week, and we'll see you when we come back on next week. Bye.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.